Nathan, what are we doing?
We're doing the other side of Ellie Lane to a truck trail. The truck trail.
Yeah. He's been wearing smart wool. Have you ever gotten anything from?
Have you ever seen a smart sheep? I'm finding this hard to believe.
No, and I keep checking my phone to see if he called.
Whoa, dude, that's cool.
Let me look. It doesn't refresh every single time, but like 1 minute ago it's circling. Where the blue is me, the blue dot, it's just impossible for me to read where we are. I need a topographical. Yoo-hoo! Hello!
Hi!
Out of control.
Hello!
Welcome to our humbled trail. Hey,
Hola, muchacho. No, you met Heather, right?
Yes.
Hi again.
Hi again.
Nice to see you. Trying to solve my
So have you had the lunch yet? You've already eaten? Okay.
We made this kale and mixed green salad with tomatoes and cucumbers, and then we grilled some chicken.
This is the truck trail. And this is the amazing view.
Yeah.
We have some, thanks.
Hey.
There's some right over here. Get us over to that.
What?
Here's water.
Oh, we have some too.
Would you want to drink it?
Oh, there's water in the hole there.
Please. I'm so afraid. What if something happens? Nathan, don't.
Don't do it. See it later. So we're kind of lost in the bushes.
I'm gonna try to take this way down to that rock over there.
John Wayne's carrying her. And he goes to go, there's somebody already in there. He goes, oh, get out of here, get out of here, get out of here. Like a prostitute. Wow, kind of racy.
Yeah, back in the day.
Don't do a back somersault.
Wow. Yeah, it was a grueling hike. Bush surfing.
A big fan of the bushwacking.
I have to dig the bushes out of my pants now.
Yeah. I'm glad I had my sunglasses. You could definitely have taken an eye out with that.
We should have used your umbrella.
But the view from the top with the clouds and the sun was beautiful.